Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Java in your computer in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we need to open our Google Chrome browser. You can choose any of your favorite browser, but I'm choosing Google Chrome. And come over into the search option and search for Java. After clicking on Java, we will get this website called www.java.com. So if you click on the Java/Oracle, if you click on that, then you'll get an option to download Java for desktop. So click on that. After here, you'll get another option called download Java for desktop. Click on that. And then as you can see, download option has been comes in. And if you click on the download, as you can see, the download has been started. So it will take 2 or 3 minutes. For that, I will fast forward the video. So as you can see, download has been completed. And now if we click on the file icon, and here is the Java downloading interface. So if you click on that, then you need to minimize all the background app to getting a fresh look. So as you can see, if we just click on install, the installation has been started. And after taking a little bit of time, the installation will be completed. And now if you click on the close, and now what we have to do, we need to go for our file explorer and go for local C drive. And now we're going to go for the program file for showing you the Java is rightly installed. So for that, what we have to do, we need to click on the Java. Now go for the version that we downloaded, go for the bin folder, and going to copy the file path. And now we're going to go for the search option and going to search for environment variables. Click on the edit the environment variables and the system properties will be shows up. After we have here an option called environment variables. So if you click on that, then we will come over into the system variables, click on the path, click on edit and going to click on new. I'm going to save the file path that we copied. Click OK. Take another tab OK. OK. And then we'll go for the search option and going to type here CMD. And then here we're going to type here, I'm going to search here Java space -- call version and click enter. And as you can see, it's right now showing the Java version called 23.0.2, and this is how we rightly install Java in our computer. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.